Welcome to another video in the Discover Mathematics series. In this video, we're going to use algebra tiles to divide polynomials by an integer. Let us consider first a simple example where we have 8 divided by 2 equals 4, because I can think of this as 8 divided into 2 groups. So when 8 is divided into 2 groups, I have 4 in each. That's why 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, let's consider this example where we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 8, and we're going to divide it by 4. So if we build it, we'll have 4 of the x squared models, 4x and then 8 of the units, or the ones. So now it asks us to divide this into 4 groups. So I can put 1 into each, 1x squared in each group. I'm going to put an x and I'll put it on top of each, just for space-wise, and then I can get 2 ones by themselves. So for each, in each group, I have an x squared, an x, and 2. So then my answer here is going to be x squared plus x plus 2. That's what's in each group. Okay, let's look at the next example. In this example, I have 10x plus 20 divided by 5. So I'm going to take my 10x and I'm going to divide it into 5 groups. So here I have, I have 5 different groups here. And another, I'm going to put this one in the same group. So I have 5 groups, and each one has 2x. And then when I'm dividing up my 20s, I'll give each one 2. And I still have some left over, so I'll give each one 2 more. And this one 2 of the units. This one 2 of the units. This one 2 of the units. And this one 2 of the units. So my groups are right here. I have 5 groups. And you can see that there's 5 groups, and in each group I have 2 x's. Plus 4. Let's look at another example. Okay, here I have 3x squared plus 6x plus 12, and I'm going to divide it into 3 groups. So I'm going to look at the x squared first, and I have 3 of them, so these become my 3 groups. And I have 6x, so each one, give each one 1. One 2, now I have, these are my 3 groups, and I need to divide up the 12, so I can give each one 3, put it right there. Each one 3, and I still have 3 left over, so I give each one another 1, and each one has 4. So now I see that 3x squared plus 6x plus 12 divided by 3 gives me, each group is going to have 1x squared plus 2x plus 4. I want students to be looking for a pattern to see what it is that they notice about each of the problems. Okay, here's my question. 6x squared plus 12x divided by 6. So I have the 6x squared, and I want to make 6 piles, so I see that each one of these is actually going to make its own group. So there's my 6 groups, and when I put the x's, if I give each one 1, I have some left over, and I can give each group 2x. So then my answer here becomes x squared plus 2x. And at this point, what we hope that people have noticed is that what we're getting when we take like a question like this and we divide it by 6, that our result is, when we have equal sized groups, it's the same as if we took the first coefficient, divided it by 6, plus the second coefficient and divided it by 6, because it works as a group. And that's really important for the students to see, that the whole thing is going to act like a group. You have to divide each one by the denominator. Okay, and that completes this video. I hope it helps.